Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm going to be reviewing and testing a Zeee Lipo battery. This is one of the most recommended budget-friendly lipo batteries on YouTube, and I'm going to be giving this a test in my Arma Vortex, so make sure you stay tuned for the entire video. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Alright, so we opened it up, pull this out, nothing really else in the box, just a little instruction manual. Pull out the bubble wrap, and here we go. This is a hard case 5200 milliamp hour ADC 3S with the Dean's plug on the end. So it feels very high quality. It's not light or anything. Nice hard case, so that will prevent puffing. It looks really nice on the outside. So there's not really much else to say. So I'm gonna plug this in and we'll give it a test in my Arma Vortex 3S BLX. So let's go. Alright guys, we're here at the skate park. It's completely empty, so we're just gonna give these Zeee batteries a quick test, see how much power they have. We'll take them out in the parking lot and see what happens. So we have the Zeee battery all plugged in. Let's turn it on. Okay. This ground doesn't really have that much grip, so I can't really test the torque of it. I'm used to running a 30C lipo, and this is an 80C. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. Whoa. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, easy. All right. Nice. Let's jump it off the stairs. Oh, easy. Okay, let's see if this thing has enough power to do a backflip.
Nice. Oh,
Perfect landing. That was actually flawless. All right, guys, we got it on this path. Let's see if we can do some nice long wheelies. Not there. There we go. That's just easy. That's so much more powerful than the batteries I've been using. Guys, these batteries are incredible. I would highly recommend. $35 for this much power is amazing. Link in the description below. It almost just wheelies on demand. Not like the Cheetah, but definitely better than it was. Off the tree. That was pathetic. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. All right, guys, this road is clear. I'm just gonna do a super duper quick full throttle pass. Full throttle. Wow. Full throttle. That is crazy. That's like a ballistic missile. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me reviewing the Zeee Power Lipo batteries. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. There's a link to the Zeee batteries in the description below if you would like to purchase them. Highly recommended. So, as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.